Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot. So hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making some resin crystals. So let's jump in and get started. Here I'm going in with some holographic purple glitter mixed with clear resin. You can get this glitter from my Etsy shop. It's called Paradise Purple. And I'm going to go in and add a little bit of light blue tinted resin to these. My plan was to add some holographic inserts to the bottom of these, so I didn't fill these up all the way, but you could 100% have done this all in one pour. I was trying something and then halfway through I realized it wasn't going to work, and I'll explain that a little bit more later. These other two molds I added, or these other three molds, I'm going to add a little bit of the light blue tinted resin. It looks clear, but it has one drop of resin dye in it, and that's going to help offset any yellowing. I always tint my clear resin light blue. And now on this piece, I'm going to drizzle in some black alcohol ink mixed with clear resin. Just a little bit. I'm going to be pouring this one down on the bottom, the black one, in 3 layers. And then this little guy, I'm adding some blue glitter. I wanted to try to see if it made a difference on how I did the glitter. The purple ones I poured it in first, and this blue one I poured it in second. This is the next day. I was going to go in with the holographic insert like I said, but I quickly realized that all that glitter sunk down and you weren't going to be able to see the holographic insert. So I'm just going to fill these 3 little crystals up with clear the rest of the way, and I'm not going to do the holographic insert on those. This black one, I'm going to add more clear, filling it up about halfway, and this other guy, I'm going to go in with clear, and then I'm actually going to add some opal glitter. You can get this glitter from S RESIN, and I'm just going to pour that right on top of the clear. I wanted to do a couple different techniques in this video just to show you guys how different they turn out and how they would look. And now I'm going to go in with my holographic insert, spraying it with a little 91% isopropyl alcohol to prevent bubbles, and I'm just going to lay that down right on top of this crystal here. This one, or these ones, I'm just popping a few surface bubbles with my gloved hand, spraying it with a little 91% isopropyl alcohol to pop those bubbles, and that's it. Now this is day number 3 for the black crystal, filling the mold up the rest of the way with some light blue tinted resin, popping bubbles with my gloved hand, and I'm going to go in with the holographic insert right on top of that wet resin. And on this piece, I did not spray it with any 91% isopropyl alcohol before I laid that insert down, and it does make a difference. The 91% isopropyl alcohol will help prevent bubbles on those holographic inserts. I let everything cure, and here we are ready to take them out of the mold. This is the blue glitter crystal that we did. Super pretty. All of the glitter basically sunk on these. I didn't know how it was going to work out. They're still absolutely beautiful. But I don't think the holographic effect would be as visible on these, so I decided not to do that. But you could definitely pour these little ones all in one pour if you wanted to do that. The bigger ones, you have to break them up into different pours because they're so deep. Your resin could overheat and crack, and it won't turn out if you pour the resin too deep. And on all these, I use the Liquid Diamonds resin. I mixed it up off camera, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing how I mix my liquid diamonds, I'll link my 1-minute mixing tutorial down below in the description box. And this is the opal glitter piece. I pulled off that holographic insert, took it out of the mold, and this one might be my favorite. And you can tell you can't really see the holographic effect, but that opal glitter in there is absolutely gorgeous. I love, love, love this one. It's so pretty. The camera was not doing it justice. In person, it has a really gorgeous color shifting opal look to it. So I'm definitely going to be making more like this. And it was just the opal glitter and clear resin. Super easy to make. Here is the black one, pulled off the holographic insert. And you can see I had a few little bubbles get underneath that insert. So you want to make sure you spray that with a little 91% isopropyl alcohol before you drop it down on your wet resin. You can't tell from the top that there were a few bubbles on the bottom, but Definitely spritz those inserts with a little 91% isopropyl alcohol before you drop it down. Let me know which one of these was your favorite down in the comments. I love this one as well. I hope you guys are doing fabulous. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Naptime Creations. I hope you give this a try, and I'll link all the materials I use down below in the description box, along with any coupon codes that I have. And definitely go check out my Etsy shop for some beautiful glitters. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.